Jarvis, thank you. Just a devastating story. We are praying for that family. And only on Fox tonight, an Upstate father, veteran, and frontline worker needs your help after a tree cutting accident left him with multiple injuries, including a broken back. So friends and loved ones are raising money to help with his medical expenses.
And only on Fox, Brooklyn Cromer talked to his wife tonight about this accident and the long road to recovery. She's live in Spartanburg. Brooklyn, how is he doing at this hour?
Well, Jeff Caro spent 2 weeks here at Spartanburg Regional Hospital, but he was released earlier today. His wife tells me he has anywhere from 8 to 18 months of recovery time, and due to his injuries, he will not be able to work his job as a nursing assistant again.
Jeff kept saying, "I'm broke. I'm just broke." He's like, "I'm really broke." And he was they were telling him that if he moves a certain way, he could be paralyzed.
Jeff Caro's wife says her husband has devoted his life to helping other people, from his service in the Army to his career as a nursing assistant, and most recently as a frontline worker, helping take care of patients with COVID-19. But earlier this month, a tragic accident changed his life forever.
We're just normal people. You know, frontline, we go out every day and, we work with COVID and, we help everybody, around, and I guess it's just, we need help,
Jeff was helping his stepson cut down a fallen tree at his house in Spartanburg after a bad storm swept through the Upstate, when a large limb fell and hit Jeff, knocking him unconscious.
He was holding the ladder and they cut some of the limbs down, and then when they cut the last limb down, the last limb when it came down, it missed my son and swooped Jeff and threw him across the yard.
After being rushed to Spartanburg Regional, Jeff found out he had a broken back, broken collarbone, and broken leg. His wife says he has a long road to recovery, but they're optimistic for his future and grateful for the support from family and friends. Well, 2 of Jeff's former co-workers have set up a GoFundMe page to help out with his medical expenses. If you'd like to find out more, we have a link in our As Seen On section over on the Fox Carolina app. Reporting live in Spartanburg, Brooklyn Cromer, Fox Carolina, the 11 o'clock news.